all of these attacks were fueled by that very same conspiracy theory, the Great Replacement, which is rooted in these anti-Semitic lies and targets, ultimately, as we saw through the cycle of hate, not just Jews, but so many other communities, and fundamentally our democratic norms and values and rule of law. And so too have we seen similar anti-Semitic tropes, right, about George Soros stealing the election, and a lot of the election denialism that we saw on January 6th, whether it is conspiracy theories and tropes related to Zionist control and power of our government, of our banks, of our institutions. Ultimately, the goal of these anti-Semitic lies is to sow distrust in our institutions, in our government, and tear communities apart in a way that fuels hate and extremism that doesn't just make Jews unsafe, but makes each and every community unsafe, and ultimately undercuts our democracy. And so too, as our democracy erodes, as our democratic norms fall apart in this country, it allows anti-Semitism to further fester because people are looking for someone to blame for the bad things that are happening. And so we're in this constant feedback loop in which anti-Semitism is used to undermine our democracy. And as democratic norms and values are under assault here in America, it makes it less safe for Jews and ultimately everyone.